Hello, I'm Mark Boyagin, the Neutrik guy, and welcome to the 2022 InfoComm show and the Neutrik Group booth. We are really excited to share with you today one of our latest fiber optic products, FiberFox. FiberFox is an IP68 rated fiber connection available in both 2 and 4 channels. It also uses a standard D-size cutout on the chassis, which means if you're already using Neutrik products, you'll be able to drop FiberFox right into the same exact cutout and dimensions. Additionally, FiberFox uses a standard LC cable in the back, so this would be your patch cable in the back with the ruggedized FiberFox solution in the front. And we'd like to show you just how ruggedized FiberFox is by doing a quick demonstration. I'm going to be joined by my coworker, Amy Moscardini. Amy's hands will be in the video, folks, so here we go. Amy's going to go ahead and unscrew this IP68 rated connector. By the way, this is hermaphroditic, which means you do not need any adapters to be able to interconnect cables and extend the length of your cable or fiber run. Once we've got this unscrewed, and by the way, this video that we're seeing in the background is actually running through the patch cable that Amy is disconnecting for us. So we're going to unscrew this. And so here, if we take a closer look at this, and thank you, Amy, if we take a closer look at this, we can see those 2 little pink dots. So this is based on a lensed system. So now we don't have just a direct fiber connection, we have an expanded beam style connection. I'm going to hand this to Amy just so we can show you how easy it is to maintain and clean this in the field. Maybe you're working with volunteers, maybe you're, go and put it in the water for us first, please, Amy. And so we're getting it good and wet so we have a surface to really cling to, right? And now she's going to grind that nicely into that sand for us. Probably not something you want to do with your average fiber connector, folks. Now you can see, if you, just for one moment, if Amy, if you could just show that to the camera. Fantastic. So that's nice and gritty and grimy and filled with sand. Probably not going to go back to show in the next 30 seconds, but let's see what we can do. Amy's going to dip that into the water, and then she'll show us that connector again. We should have it fairly well cleaned off. We could also have done this with compressed air, folks, but today, because of our booth and trying to keep things clean, we're going to go ahead and use the water. We'll also dry it off, which technically you also would not have to do. We could have even wiped it on our pants if we really wanted to. Now, Amy's going to go ahead and reconnect the cable for us. No, take your time. It's perfectly fine. Everyone's loving this. All right. And so once it's connected, our video is back up and running. What, that took us maybe 30 seconds, and you've got something that went from unbelievably messy and grimy in fiber to something that's ready to go back to show less than 30 seconds. That is Neutrik FiberFox. We're thrilled that you could join us today to learn more about this product. For more information about this and other Neutrik products, please visit us on our website at neutrik.us. Thanks very much.